departed runway 29 1 minute ago. Contact Gander Center 133.15 airborne. Wind 27024, resting 31, clear takeoff runway 29.
Clear for takeoff runway 29, after takeoff contact 133.15, November 517 Charlie Papa.
Hotel Juliet 1634. Right 10 ground, proceed to cross Hotel Juliet under runway 1634, cross 20, hold short, runway 29.
Hotel Juliet 1634, hold short 29, right 10.
Cool, go to radio 1223, listen for position final.
Good morning, departure series November 517 Charlie Papa. Just took off from runway 29 at Johnson, Zheng.
November 517 Charlie Papa Gander Center, good day. Radar identified on departure. Cleared 8,000. Do you need the airway or are you able direct?
Direct is okay. Can I direct to Yankee Tango?
You can proceed direct destination if you wish.
Oh, that's great. Direct to destination. Thank you. November 517 Charlie Papa.
7 Charlie Papa, roger, and climb to 8,000.
Climb to 8,000. November 517 Charlie Papa.
Roger. Delta Bravo Hotel Golf, November is cleared to St. John's Airport for the straight-in ILSD Me-29 approach by T-SOX.
Forget for the straight-in ILSD Me-29 approach, Delta Golf, November, thank you.
Roger, descent is at your discretion.
Descent on our discretion, Delta Golf, November.
Roger. Reach 405, Gander.
Go ahead.
Reach 405, contact Moncton Center, 13435. Good day.
134.35. We'll see you reach 405.
Roger. U.S. 7810, St. John's altimeter 3021. Contact me on 13315.
3021 with you on 3315 US 7810.
Roger. WestJet 17, contact Gander 13205. Good day.
3205, good day now, WestJet 17.
Roger. Hotel Golf November, what is your aircraft type?
Challenger 350 at Hotel Golf November.
Thank you. Hotel Golf November, you got about 20 miles to the runway. You can contact St. John's Tower now, 120.6.
1206, thanks for your help. Hotel Golf November, bye.
Good day. Eva 7791, you now cleared Deer Lake Airport for approach runway 25, visuals approved.
Cleared Deer Lake Airport for approach, visual 25 approved, 7791.
Radio 122.2.
22.2, see you.
Roger. Eva 7810, when ready to send 3000.
Alright, down to 3000 when ready for you, 7810.
Roger.